So, with a warm welcome to all of you from IIT Bombay. I am Payal Mukherjee. I work as a project manager in FOSSI, and this is workshop on the intermediate level of Open Foam, organized by FOSSI IIT Bombay. This workshop is a part of a learning program that was started way back in August, in the month of August 2024, and we are concluding it today with this intermediate level workshop. But we are not ending the learning process or working together. Okay, so this is just a formal end of the learning, program that we launched in the month of August, and those of you are new to it, and because we are doing it online, we initially it was planned that we will do this workshop offline in person at IIT Bombay, but due to many requests that were coming to us through emails and LinkedIn, that we also want to attend, but we don't have the logistics to visit IIT Bombay for one day to attend this workshop. So due to all this, we decided to hold this workshop in online mode so that we can reach out to many participants throughout the country and abroad, and we can also record this, and people can refer to this whole workshop later on. Okay, so this workshop is organized by FOSSI. I hope you all know what is FOSSI. FOSSI is a project which has been developed at IIT Bombay. The full form of FOSSI is free and open source software for education. Why the double E? It is because earlier it was launched only for the engineering field of education. That is why the engineering education was there earlier. But now we are offering the software which are useful for non-engineering stream of studies as well. For example, geology and geosciences. We also offer for the animation field, animation and the graphics field. We also offer for pure hardcore chemistry, and applied physics, everything. So now FOSSI is open for all the streams of education. Okay, so this workshop will be conducted by the team members of Open Foam of FOSSI. The team members are Mr. John Pinto, Mr. Evan Fernandez, and Mr. Manjil Situla. Manjil is working from Nepal, and John and Evan is from IIT Bombay. They are at IIT Bombay. And though this FOSSI project is developed at IIT Bombay, we work, we network with people, and we have partners who are faculty members in esteemed institutions of India. And we also have partnered with the corporate people. We launched the advisory board of the Open Foam team of FOSSI. The launch ceremony was done yesterday at IIT Bombay, and it was a part of the industry academia meet, which was held at IIT Bombay in a hybrid mode. So we had many expert talks by the professionals who work in the CFD industry in the corporate. So henceforth, they will also be our team member. We will work with them as a team. Okay, we will take their inputs as well in the training program of FOSSI. And we are fortunate to have two members from the advisory board with us today at IIT Bombay. Mr. Pushkar Sheth from Wabtec Corporation and Mr. Nikhil Bhamre from CFD Baba. So they will also be there today with us. Okay, and I think you can see the topics that will be covered today in the workshop: conjugate heat transfer and need for advanced meshing, introduction to multi-phase simulations, introduction to dynamic meshing, usage of snappy hex mesh, multi-phase simulations, and many more. Okay, so and Professor Naren also will be joining, Naren PR sir from the Sastra University. Okay, he will be joining just after the lunch break. And one more exciting thing is we are going to announce the candidates who are shortlisted by the FOSSI team of IIT Bombay, by the Open Foam team of FOSSI IIT Bombay. Actually, we have floated the people who are new and who are attending this intermediate level workshop today, who have not enrolled for the August learning session. So actually, we had floated some problem statements, and based on that, we have evaluated some of the candidates. So we have, received a lot of submissions, and out of that, we have screened and filtered a few good submissions who have the potential to develop their work as case studies. Okay, so we will announce the name during the workshop today. So please stay tuned to know who all are selected, okay, in this learning program to work with us further. Okay, and these people can also join us in our internship, and we will they will not be screened anymore. They are welcome to join us as interns and fellows because they have already passed the screening test, and their submissions have been accepted by us. Okay, so as a next step, we will handhold them. We will give them some tips so that they can develop their work, and their work can be published as a case study project in at CFD site, which is cfd.fossey.in, and their name, their institution, and their work will be there permanently. So whenever they are applying for higher studies, they are going for job applications. They can always refer these publications in the future. So anybody can download it, refer it, okay, and develop the case studies as per their own choice of subjects. Okay, so with this, I'll end the introduction talk. Thank you.